Oh, I'm just trying to get them off without hurting them.
Are you seeing this?
I know. Just
blow on them. They'll be fine.
Alright, bye guys.
Let's look at the architecture here. This before World War II, like this is all of Europe basically. A lot of these modern buildings, you know, a lot of these small towns, especially in Germany, got bombed to smithereens. Ah, no, my klucz. What? Wow. Yeah, that sounds about right. Huh.
If is restaurant open, this is.
Do you see him?
Yeah, I got the leaving.
Oh, what's that? Isn't that wild? Can you imagine hauling all those supplies up there?
If the restaurant is open, you feel like you are there. You are sitting right under those huge cones wall.
No, look at the ornamental small details within the brickwork and whatnot. The windows and all those things, you know.
It's beautiful.
Dad, you should.
All right, so those are different. Those are not the ones I was thinking. You know those tiny red ones? Yeah, the one that we've always talked about. They know about that one. Yeah. Look at the playground made from like raw chunks of wood. That's kind of cool.
Extinct a couple weeks ago.
Really?
Yeah, they're really important.
Well, sometimes they think something went extinct and it didn't. That happens all the time, so hopefully that's the case.
I hope they did. Beetles are very.
Sometimes they have day when it's closed, then it will come another way, but we'll go.
So this was built in 1918 for the First World War as a memorial. Ellie,
Yeah.
come on, really? I'm not in the mood for you right now with that nonsense. Sorry. Like,
So your watch is still incorrect?
my watch is incorrect as well. I don't know. I guess Stark is saying it's 11 something, so I don't quite understand. Look at all these little lithographs of the castle in different stages. You're right, yeah. Look at that.
This is church. It's beautiful. This church was built 1690.
So it's actually much newer than the one in Radice.
Yeah.
Oh look, it's almost like your address, Starker. Instead of 746, it's 476.
Yeah.
I love this motif in the cross. Did you see this gate? Did you guys see the door? You know how you used to work at Proxy? The place I used to work in Methuen, Kathy, the CEO, she loves doorways, different kinds of doorways. I have to take a picture of the doorway for her. So it looks like they're probably restoring some of these buildings, Tarka, right? That looks like maybe a restoration, like they're restoring it, right?
Yeah, this one was almost to collapse.
I'm sorry?
Where's the actual red light?
Oh, jeez.
He's in my book.
Let me see. Yep, that's
He
them.
came off with this.
Oh, jeez, a rose petal.
Oh, buddy, I don't want to squish you in my book.
Just blow on them and like put them in the grass. Mm-hmm.
You know, this is Linda tree.
Oh, linden tree, which is like the Slovak.
Last week was
Yeah.
born. It's our
Wow.
national.
That's the national tree. That's like the official symbol of. Yeah. The cars. Some of the antique cars. This is wild. Seat maybe. This one's from. Oh really? So this has a Ukrainian plate. It's a Tavaria Nova. Notice how everything's a manual. Everything old over here is a manual. Everything antique.
Sour.
Oh, that's nice. Look at the castle from this angle.
And where they have special festival, they have all these flags all over. And they have people who
So it's like a Renaissance fair.
just like
Yeah.
see this one last year we stopped by and we thought that this will collapse because the roof was.
So their
about
their logo is an elephant with the castle on top. Look at that.
I even
For the town.
I
Yes. Do you want zakazani? That means forbidden. You want to take a picture? It means entrance forbidden. Stup zakazani. You guys are funny. Look at this. You understand, like, some of these buildings? First of all, look at the geology in the side of this building, right? But also, like, do you understand that some of these buildings, like 10 generations ago, 300 years before you were born, some of this mortar was poured.
I'd eat that rock.
Look at this. Was some kind of rim over
Yeah.
around, and then it's a little more narrow.
And look at underneath all that plaster, Starka. You
Yeah.
see that?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's why it take them so long because they're going to restore it. They take layer by layer.
Yeah.
And this was under.
Oh, this is funny. Look at this sticker. This sticker literally just says the water is boiling. Sounds like a you problem. Are you mind them? Remember I told you about the maypole? The maypole, they have a pole in May and all of the it's like a tradition that they put up a big giant pole.
Did you take a whiff of the inside that house smell?
No.
Through the crack in the window? It smells so good. It smells like old mildew.
Domo dochodco. Oh, so senior citizen housing, right, Starka?
Yes. Yeah.
This is abandoned, right?
I mean, at the moment, but it was senior housing
Yeah.
in its previous life. So that's the maypole. Anyway, see all the flags and banners and everything on there? So what, Starka, don't the guys climb up and put that up there? The men climb up
You know
and...
what they do now? Now they do with crane.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Stupid that many people has to flip.
Lego. A building, like a Lego building festival.
Oh,
Another Citroen. I like this one. Look at this one. I don't at the moment. Actually, wait a minute. Starkey and Starkey gave me some coins. Yes, I do have some coins, maybe. What machine? What are we talking about?
See, this one was restored. It's, you know.
Right.
It's
Like they brought language and culture.
What is this car? I even don't know that green one.
Fiat?
It looks like it.
I think it's a Fiat. That's a Fiat, yeah. Fiat Brava.
Ice cream.
What's that?
I said, I want ice cream.
Nice.
Not a car. Not a car.
So, I mean, they have some ice cream.
Oh, so to je tiež cíla metod? Tam na tom stĺpe?
Asi áno.
Cukáreň pod hradom.